Hello, I saw your question here in the email. Your question of the cartons produced by a company, 5% have punctured, 3% have smashed corners, and 0.7% have both a puncture and a smashed corner. Find the probability that a random selected carton has a puncture or smashed corner. So we want the probability of it's been punctured or have a smashed corner. And so the formula is that'll equal the probability it's been punctured plus the probability it's been smashed minus the probability it's punctured and smashed. Now sometimes this part can be zero if it's mutually exclusive, but we've been given that this is 0.7%. We're given the first part's 5%, the second part's 3%, and this part's 0.7%. So if you do that arithmetic, I guess that's where the 7.3% comes out. So your particular question, this is just part of the formula here. Hope that helps.